let us have now quarter 2, week 4, B, activity 3. This time, we will graph. So it was entitled Graph Me. So first, let us read the direction. Graph the following linear function with the indicated method. So the first method that we're going to use is using the domain and range. Given the function f of x is equal to negative 3x plus 2. Now remember that the domain of a linear function is the set of all x such that x is an element of the set of real numbers. And the same with the range. The range of a linear function is the set of all y such that y is an element of the set of real numbers. Therefore, we can change the values for x and for y any number from the real numbers. Now, let's have the first step. Substitute x to any real number, then solve. Now, we can graph using 2 points. Therefore, we need to use 2 real numbers. So let's say x is equal to 1. So if you want to solve it easily, just use real numbers with small value. So you can use 1 and 2. So now I will use 1 and 2. Okay, so the first step is we're going to substitute x by the real number. We chose two real numbers, and that is 1 and 2. So we have f of x is equal to negative 3 times 1 plus 2. Next, we will simplify negative 3 because negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 plus 2. Negative 3 plus 2, we have negative 1. Next, for x is equal to 2, we substitute x by 2. So we have f of x is equal to negative 3 times 2 plus 2. Simplify this part, we have negative 6. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Now, negative 6 plus 2, we have negative 4. Now, let's go to step number 2. Make an ordered pair from the solved value of the function and the assigned value of x. So, for the first, we have x is equal to 1 and the value of the function is negative 1. Take note that f of x is the same as y. Therefore, if we're going to write this as an ordered pair, we have 1 and negative 1. So our x, the value for x will be in the x coordinate. And for the value of the function will be in the y coordinate. So we have the ordered pair 1, negative 1. And the same with the second. So we have 2, negative 4. For step number 3, we're going to draw Cartesian plane, plot the points, and connect the plotted points. Of course, we have this Cartesian plane. Next, we're going to plot 1, negative 1. So we have here. And then plot the second point. We have 2, negative 4. And we have here. And finally, to graph, let's connect the 2 plotted points. And this is the graph of the function negative 3x plus 2. Using the method domain and range. Now, let's have the second method. Same function, but different method. Using the table of values. For the table of values, we have this. Actually, we can assign any values of x here as long as it belongs to the set of real numbers. But for us to easily solve, we can just use -1, 0, and 1. Now, for step number 1, substitute values of x from the given table of values. Now, since the first value of x is -1, we have -3 times -1 plus 2. So we just substitute -1 to x. Next, we're going to simplify the operation. -3 times -1 is +3. +3 plus 2 is +5 rather. Next, let's have the second value for x. And that is x is equal to 0. Now, we have -3 times 0 plus 2. Simplify this part, we have 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Next, the last value for x, we have x is equal to 1. Substituting x by 1, we have f of x is equal to -3 times 1 plus 2. Simplifying again this part, we have -3 plus 2. -3 plus 2, we have -1. Second step, we're going to write the solved values for the function. So we have 5, 2, and -1. Next, make an ordered pair from the solved value of the function and the assigned value of x. So for the first value, we have -1, 5, 0, 2, and last we have 1, -1. And for the last step, we have to draw Cartesian plane, plot the points, and connect the plotted points. So we have here the Cartesian plane. Next, we're going to plot these points. So -1, 5, we have -1 and +5. Next, 0, 2, 0 and 2. Next, 1, -1, we have here. And lastly, we need to connect these 3 points. Now we're done with graphing linear functions using table of values.